This course is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Consult a licensed attorney for your specific situation.
Sometimes I feel like litigation is just endless paperwork, deadlines, and stress, and paying for expensive tools doesn't always make it easier. So today, I want to share 5 free tools I may use in 2025 to handle documents, arguments, case research, deadlines, and case management without paying a cent. These are the tools I personally use or test when I need to save time or organize cases. One of the tools I often use is GPT. I know some people say it can be inaccurate, and I've experienced that too, especially with case law, but for certain tasks, it is incredibly helpful. Here's how I use it. First, summarizing documents. When I have hundreds of pages to read, I may copy the text in small sections into GPT and get a summary. It saves time and energy. I usually avoid attaching files directly because sometimes GPT may skip parts or miss details. And I never put sensitive personal information. The writ's just not worth the risk. Second, case law research. Sometimes I don't know the exact keywords for research, so I may ask GPT to find relevant case law in a specific jurisdiction. This could save a lot of time. GPT may hallucinate cases sometimes, so I always verify each case law citation it provides. Even so, it may still point me in the right direction faster than searching blindly. Third, structuring arguments. I usually work in steps. First, I give GPT a prompt. Then, I provide factual info, and after that, I may add case law citations. I avoid asking it to create a full document in one step because the output could be incomplete. I may also ask GPT to calculate deadlines, quickly summarize facts before meetings, or do other tasks. I also often use Google Scholar for case law research. I may filter by court or use Boolean operators to narrow results. Sometimes I use it to verify what GPT suggested. It's free, reliable, and fairly easy to use. Example, I was researching the lack of standing standard for California. I used Boolean operators, such as quotation marks, and GPT suggested a few cases. I quickly checked them in Google Scholar and found a couple more relevant ones I might have missed. According to Clio's latest legal trends report, AI adoption is accelerating rapidly in the legal industry, with 79% of legal professionals using AI in their practice in 2024, up from only 19% in 2023. Another tool I sometimes use is QuitListener. It may let me pull federal docket information, search for motions, and download PDFs for federal litigation. This could be very useful. Example, I once needed a sample of a motion to dismiss. I searched by keyword, downloaded the PDF, and it helped me structure my own document quickly. Deadlines are always tricky. I may use timeanddate.com to calculate deadlines, add days, or exclude weekends and holidays. It could save me from missing critical filings, and it's free. For case management, I may use Trello. I can create boards for each case, track deadlines, assign tasks, and keep notes. I have not tested it with heavy caseloads, but for smaller cases, or if I am handling things alone, it could work well. Trello can be useful for litigation if you need a free tool, but there are some caveats. It is visual and intuitive, and the free version is usually enough for small caseloads. I can assign tasks and track progress, but it does not have specialized legal features, and sensitive data should be handled carefully. For small cases or people representing themselves, Trello could work well as a free case management tool. It may not replace specialized legal software, but it is a solid starting point. That's it for today. I will keep watching for new and useful tools for litigation and share updates with you. Subscribe so you do not miss future information.